Yeah. Welcome back to World of TREDEC. Still with the creoles, or model kits made in Venezuela, especially the Lindberg ones. This is another biplane. That's the Gloster Gladiator model kit in 1/48 scale. So you will enjoy this one because it is a classic one. So let's take a look and enjoy the video. Okay, still reviewing the criollos made in Venezuela, Lindberg biplanes. This time it's the turn of the Gloster Gladiator in 1/48 scale from Lindberg. I've got two boxes. One of them is inside, still sealed with its original bag, plastic clear bag. Same cover both sides. So I really like the finished model, pictured model with black or colors background, no computer effects, nothing like that. That's the traditional representation of these old kits from the 70s. Made in Venezuela. Same information on the sides. This is the kit number 916, the Gloster Gladiator. Modelo plástico reducido para armar, or model kit. Plastic model kit with building instructions inside in Spanish. No paints or glue. Lindberg logo. Let's check the information about the trademark. Made and printed in Venezuela by Lindberg of Venezuela, Compañía Anónima, under license of Lindberg Hobbies Inc., Illinois, USA. Copyright for Lindberg Hobbies Inc. All rights reserved. Trademark in the United States, Venezuela, and other countries. Medium box, soft cardboard. I will open this box. You will see the presentation of this, the building instructions with typical cover. Just one piece, one sheet. Everything is explained in just one step, but explained in the written way in Spanish. They recommended to use the testors, paints and cement. Kit number 916. All steps in one illustration. You have to be so careful with every assembling. Everything is included here. Maybe they wanted to save some material for these instructions. Everything is just right here with the display stand. I will tell you how many pieces by using the other building instructions. Okay, the rigging system, if you want to rig it, not included on this model kit. You have to add the guitar wire or fine piano wires or strings. The markings, just like this, the fuselage, the upper wing and the lower wing. Well, these stickers are uglily bad. I won't use them except for the display stand sign. These one are much better, yes, but I will show you the other ones. This one is still sealed in the original plastic bag, so I won't open it up. The display stand for this, and the trans-clear canopies, all complete. Apparently nothing is missing. Let's open this box for the rest of the review and some additional information about the dimensions. I wrote it. 49 pieces, including the sticker sheets. 17 centimeters length, 20.8 centimeters wingspan. Okay, I explained you. Everything is in one step. Gotta be so careful. Okay, the struts, the wings, the fuselage halves, the horizontal stabilizers, the vertical fin, the struts for the wing struts, the propeller, two blades, etc. I will show you these dry transfers are much better, like the other one. Typical, what I really like, this sign for the display stand. Yes, sir. The registration kilo 7985 with these British insignias, the circle with the blue, white and red, but I think it is translucent, so gotta be so careful with the backgrounds. Or maybe I have to replace them by using some other water stickers I have for emergencies replacement. Let me check other ones. Maybe these ones. We got to check if they are with the same size. No. They are different. These are the decals, original decals from other aircrafts. Let me check if I have more replacements for this kind of emergency. Maybe I will replace them by using my replacements for emergency situations, just like this, when the stickers are not too good. Well, that's a presentation of this manner of dry transfers. Let's check the pieces outside from this original plastic bag. I would like to check the fuselage halves. Look at these interesting details, panel lines, marks. Nothing inside, no big deal inside. Let's check the fitting. The fitting sounds great. That's very with a lot of precision. Maybe we have to sand this seam. That's the engine cowl. The horizontal stabilizers, some struts, wing, upper or lower wing, the cockpit floor, the trans-clear canopies, the seat for the pilot, The radial engine cylinder, the bombs, some little bombs, I think. The blade, 2 blades for the propeller. What else? The center of the upper wing. Other parts, that's the nose for the propeller. Yes, that's it. Good quality plastic, no problem. Some flash, a lot of flash, so you have to be patient with getting them away. If you are a flash hater, be prepared. Be prepared of a lot of patience. Let's arrange the display stand. I really like to rehearse some assembling. This slot for the to get this display stand and expose it or display it flying in a flying way. But I really like when you show the tail draggers on the ground. They look so elegant. What else to do to review this? Nothing else. I think that's all what we got with these old model kits. Classic Lindberg. Haven't seen on YouTube. This is the first time you will see on my YouTube channel. Okay? I hope it is a great information for you. So let's go on to more Lindberg model kits, or maybe some Legos. It depends on my mood. Thank you very much for watching this, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.